Hello, in today's video, we are going to see how Python handles JSON. It is the simplest way how it handles. Before understanding that, let's understand what is JSON. JSON is a JavaScript object notation. It is a lightweight data format used for storing and exchanging data. Python has a built-in JSON model which we can use to perform the operation. JSON files has a many uses. We can use it to communicate to of the applications to the REST API. It can also be used for the e-card system. It can also be used with the web applications to store user preferences can also be used in the game applications as well. This is the simplest format of the JSON. That is why it is more useful and more applications are using this format. So it has the key and the value. If you see here, name is the key and the value is the John. Age is the key and value is the 22. So it is in the form of name and a key. This is the very simplest format, and that is why most of the applications supports the JSON. Now let's understand. Suppose you have an application 1 and application 2 and they want to exchange the data through API. So how they can share this to API? API will request in the JSON format, and this app 2 will return the result in the form of a JSON file. So you can see it is returning name and age of that particular user profile. So this JSON format will return the user profile with the name and age. So in Python we support two functions to read and write the JSON files. A JSON dump will use to write data to the JSON file. JSON load. This function will be used to load data from the file to the Python. Now let's go to the demo part and see how we can use it. In the demo, we are going to create a tiny user profile system where we will save a user's name and age into a JSON file, and next time when we run, it will be read back later. Okay. First, we need to import the JSON module. Since the JSON module is the inbuilt, we don't need to import it manually. Now we will be creating one dictionary with the user profile. Here I'll be adding two keywords, name and then age. Since age is a number, I'm not going to add double quotes here. This is my dictionary. Now how we can load it into the JSON file? So all we need to do is use this command with open. So here we will open this JSON file, so file.json, and since we are going to open this file to the right, we don't need to check whether this file is already exists as file. Now create file, then dot dump. So dump will be used to load the JSON file, load the contents into the file. So here I'm putting JSON.dump, and I will add this user profile, my dictionary, and I will provide the file where I need to dump this file. So this is way how the dump will work, and it will load this content inside this file. And now if you want to read this file, let's open this file to read. So we can use the same. Now with open profile.json, here I'm going to read this file, so I'll put it here R, and when we are using to read it, all we need to do is json.load, and this contents I'm taking it from the file, so I'll take it as a file, and I'll create a variable as a data is equal. This will load the contents from this JSON code, and we can just print it. Welcome back, and here I will print the username. So the username will be available inside this data under this with name. Name is my keyword. We'll print the data. Let's run and see how it works. You can see, right? Welcome back, Monica. If I add here some space, better. So here it also creates an profile.json file where you can see the data gets appended here. Now you can see this, it is coming as welcome back, Monica. Now one more thing here is that you can see file. Okay, previously it had this contents. Now when we run it initially, now if I want to change the age to 30, all we need to do is first the file, take the data, update the age with the 30, and again open the file in a write mode and dump this JSON. Let me run this code. Now refresh this page. Now we can see now the age is changed to 30. This is how update works initially. Now if I want to change the age to 30, all we need to do is first the file, take the data, update the age with the 30, and again open the file in a write mode and the JSON file, right? Now try it out with your own projects and see how it works, what challenges you face, and what kind of exceptions you can add into your code. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to get such kind of topics.